This slow cooker pizza is super easy to make, packed with flavor, awesome macros, and will make enough to last you the whole week. So let's just jump right into it, literally. Start with 3 cups of pasta. You want to cook this for around 5 minutes, remove and drain it just before it's done. This will keep it from undercooking in your slow cooker. Add that into a large bowl after that. Next, brown some lean ground beef or turkey and add that into your bowl. Drain it first if you didn't use a lean enough meat. After that, add in 1 to 2 servings of some pepperoni slices if you like pepperoni, 6 large egg whites, your favorite chopped up vegetables. Today I'm just using a green pepper, 2 cans of a healthy pizza sauce, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Mix all of those up really good. Next, take your slow cooker out and either coat it with some nonstick cooking spray or use one of these easy cleanup liners, which I'll link to below if you've never seen them. Now in your slow cooker, add a layer of your mix and top that layer with some reduced fat pizza cheese, or make your own pizza cheese with a combination cheddar and mozzarella. In total, we're using 8 ounces. Repeat those steps and make however many layers you want. I usually make 3. Last, throw your lid on and cook this on low for around 3.5 to 4 hours.